Hey, if you've ever dreamed of building your own software app but thought, I don't know how to code, I don't have a big budget, and I'm not a tech wizard, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the beginner's guide to building a software app business with AI using the AI App Software Creator System. And the best part? You don't need programming skills at all. For years, creating an app felt like something only developers or big startups could do. You needed thousands of dollars, months of development, and a team of coders. That's why so many great ideas never made it past the dream stage. But now, thanks to AI, the game has completely changed. Imagine typing in your idea, letting AI generate the framework, customizing it to your brand, and launching it online, all without writing a single line of code. That's exactly what this system makes possible. The AI App Software Creator System is designed to take beginners, entrepreneurs, and creators from idea to income in record time. It's not just about building an app, it's about building a business. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose your idea. Use the built-in Niche Finder or pick from 50 pre-researched app ideas. Step 2. Generate with AI. Feed ready-made prompts into AI coding tools and watch as dashboards, login systems, payment gateways, and features are created for you. Step 3. Customize. Add your branding, tweak layouts, set pricing, and make it yours. Step 4. Launch online. Deploy your app and connect payments so you can start collecting subscriptions. Step 5. Get customers. Use the included waitlist prompts and marketing strategies to attract your first paying users. It's literally a guided shortcut to building your own SaaS business. AI coding tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Replit, and Cursor are now powerful enough to generate functional apps. The challenge isn't the AI. It's knowing what to ask, how to structure prompts, and how to organize the build. That's where this system shines. It gives you the exact prompts, templates, and walkthroughs so you don't waste time guessing. Think of it as having a step-by-step blueprint that turns your idea into a working product faster than you ever thought possible. Here's what makes this system so exciting. You don't need coding skills. You can validate your idea before spending months building. You get marketing and customer acquisition strategies built in. You can create digital assets that generate recurring income. Imagine launching a simple booking tool, invoice generator, or social media scheduler, and earning monthly subscriptions from customers who rely on it. Even small micro SaaS apps can bring in stable revenue. That's the power of combining AI with business strategy. This system is perfect if you're a beginner curious about AI app creation, an entrepreneur looking for new digital opportunities, a coach or consultant wanting to create tools for your audience, a freelancer ready to offer AI app services, a content creator exploring new income streams. Basically, if you've got an idea and the drive to build something, this system gives you the tools to make it happen. So here's the deal. You can keep waiting for the perfect time to start, or you can take action today. The AI App Software Creator System makes building your own software app business not only possible, but simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Click the link below to get started. For just a small entry cost, you'll unlock the training, the Niche Finder, the top 50 app ideas, the AI prompt creator, the waitlist system, and the walkthrough videos. Everything you need to go from idea to launch is inside. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this video showed you that building a software app business isn't just for developers anymore. It's for anyone with an idea and the willingness to take action. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI-powered business tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and let's build something amazing together.